Good morning, everyone. The next topic I'm going to discuss is the rail fastenings. It includes the different type of joints, fastening for rails, fish plates, and bearing plates, which have been required so that it can provide the stiffness to the rail track as well as the rail gauges. So, first of all, rail fixtures and fastenings. All the fittings which is used for linking of rail end to end and also for fixing rails to the sleeper in track are known as fixture and fastening. This is the very important aspect, and the designing and the size and shape of the rail fixtures is very important because any loosening in the fixture or the uh, wear and tear of the fixture or fastening which has been provided, if occurs, it can dislocate the rail gauge from the track. So this is the picture showing the railway fixture and fastening, in which uh, it has been seen that this is the point where basically the crown is provided of the rail gauges. This is actually the rail gauge, this is the head, and this is the web, and this is the foot which has been provided to give the lateral stiffness or the lateral stability. This is the chair which has been included, in which is connected to the sleeper with the help of the bolt. Here is the fish plate which has been provided so that it can fasten it with the it is fastened with the help of the fish bolt, so that it can get the lateral stability again in the longitudinal direction. So type of fixtures and fastening which have been provided are the fish plate, bearing plate, chairs, spikes, bolts, keys and quarters, anchors and anti-creepers. This is the picture showing the fish plate. This is used to maintain the continuity of the rail in a track. It is made up of mild steel, which is 20 thick and 456 long, provided with a 4 number of 32 dia hole at the 114 millimeter center to center. So this is the earlier I have shown you the pic of the fish plate, which is located over here. This was the fish plate, and this is the wider view of the fish plate, which is provided with the help of the 4 bolts. The function of the fish plate is basically to maintain the continuity of the railway track and to allow the expansion and contraction of rail due to temperature, because any expansion or contraction if take place, the stresses are induced, so it will try to withstand the stresses. It also helps to maintain the correct alignment of the rail joint. This is the pic which is showing the bearing plate. It is placed between the flat-footed rails and wooden sleepers. The it is two type available, that is flat bearing plate and canted bearing plate. This is the bearing plate which has been shown. This is a flat bearing plate and this is a canted bearing plate. Function of the bearing plate is to prevent the sinking of the rail in a wooden sleeper. It helps to distribute the load uniformly, and also it enables the spike to be held tightly, otherwise it can dislocate. So it prevents the shifting of the rails also. It helps to eliminate addition of the wooden sleepers, and also it can be used as a maintenance gauge. So overall it adds, or it helps to achieve the economy. These are the spikes which have been provided. This is the spikes which we can see here over in this part and this part. It is required to fix the rail bearing plates or chairs to the wooden sleepers. These are the spikes which have been placed over here. So the requirement of good spike is that it should hold the rail or the bearing plate in a proper position. It should be easily fixed and removable. It should not come out due to vibrations. It should be cheap enough. These are the available different spikes. These are the dog spike, screw spike. Spike is that in with the screws have been provided, which can be called as a rings, which have been provided. This is a round type of the spike, and this is a standard spike. This is the elastic type of spike which has been provided over here, which can be seen in the railway gauge, and these are the bolts, as we know that to hold the sleepers or to hold the rail gauges with the sleepers, the bolts have been provided. The function of the bolt is to use to connect the fish plate to the rail, to connect chair or bearing plate to timber sleeper, to connect sleeper to bridge girder. So for the connection wherever the spikes or the fastening has to be done, the bolt has to be provided. The different type of the bolt are the hook bolt, fish bolt, and the fang bolt. These are the keys which has been used. It is required to keep the rail in a proper position. So each and every fixture which has been used is used to keep the rail gauges in a position. So different type of the keys are the timber keys, metal keys, steward keys, spring coiled key, Morgan keys. Anchor which has been provided so that it can prevent the creep in the rail, where creep is basically has been caused due to the whenever the rail track has been provided and train is moving on it, due to the whenever the load is also removed, it continuously moving in, and then cause the some change or a deflection part on the railway track. So that is called basically as a creep. It can they are available in different shape. I am talking about the anchors. The number of the anti-creeper depends amount of the creep occurring in the track, so they can be provided according to the creep value. Thanks.